Hi friends, so many miracles are happening in Indian temples. Now you are watching the parrot miracle you have never seen before, like eating rice pongal offered to goddess and also not eating other fruits offered to it and not disturbing puja activities in temple. We know that parrot is very much connected to goddess Kamakshi Amman. This parrot is daily coming to the temple to eat prasadam offered to the goddess. Many more interesting things to observe here. A parrot is waiting for prasadam offering after Harati and not disturbing puja activities. The parrot only eating prasadam offered to goddess, not other eatable things. This temple is in Big Street of Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I think you have enjoyed this miracle. Please share this video to your friends and relatives. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.